Hey guys, what's up? Let me try again. It's been a while. I haven't filmed since last year. I gotta get that back. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakira, if you didn't know already. And if you couldn't already tell by the title down below, I'm broke. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Is this a clickbait title? No, technically speaking, because according to my bank balance, I am broke indeed. However, I just didn't get paid yet. But moving on, it's New Year. Happy New Year. This won't be uploaded the first of the year, like the first week of the first. I have a different video planned for that. Actually, this might be.
Surprise, it is.
But basically, I was running errands because I didn't have work to do. However, I wanted to be productive on the first day and not just lay in bed and watch Netflix. So I got up and I went out. And I cleared my closet. Closet is just like completely clear. I only have like a couple of pieces that I keep in rotation. I have to take those to a place called Avalon Exchange, which you basically, it's kind of like Plato's Closet, but more like vintage and retro. So I take my clothes there when they open again tomorrow. But I ended up at Target and I left with 3 bags of clothes. And here is that haul. Get this receipt out my hand. Okay, so basically if you are new to the world, Target has this line and they've had it for a couple of months now called Wild Fable. And basically those old pieces went on clearance. So I went immediately to the clearance rack and everything I bought today was on clearance. I feel like I said that 50 million times. It's okay. Basically, I set a budget for myself, monthly budget, and I budgeted $100 a month for clothing, which I won't use every month, but it's a new year and I'm trying to like freshen up my style. One of my goals on my mood board literally says ageless style, and that's because I want to improve my style and just get like stable pieces. But yeah, so we're just gonna get into this haul. I spent $90 on everything, which I feel like it was, let me see, $90.42, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 things, which I feel like is a whole steal. So like I said, let's get into this haul because I got lots. Wild Fable skater cut jeans, boy, they look like this. And I will not lie, I was very hesitant. I tried on the black pair first. I was very hesitant to buy them just because it said skater cut and I have never purchased jeans that were skater cut, and I don't usually do wider pants just because I like things to be fitted, but these fit amazing at the waist and it's very true to size because I'm a 4, but these are true to size. They hug the waist amazing and they just fit so well. So I got these in this skater cut, and then I also got them in black. Here they are, and they're cropped, but they're not, it's not like weird, like it doesn't look like I'm wearing jeans that are too small for me, if it makes sense. And these next pair of pants, I originally picked up the matching top to it, which is kind of like a sweater piece. You'll see it later. Actually, I'll show it after this so you can get the idea. But as I was leaving Target, I walked by and saw them. I was like, oh my gosh, I need this so it can match with the top, which looks like this. It has a zipper. It's kind of like cropped, but it's not too cropped where I can like get away with it. Well, actually, I'm pretty much 20. So it doesn't really matter what I wear, but it's tasteful and it's not like showing too much stomach. And I just think that this pair is just gonna be so cute. I can't wait to wear it. Will I necessarily get to wear it as often as I would like in Florida? Definitely not, because it's January 1st and it is 82 degrees outside. But we're not getting into that. These next pair of pants I did not try on, but they look like the same cut as the other skater pants, and they just look like this same skater cut short. And I just feel like they would look cute on. We'll see when I try them on because I haven't tried them on yet. So. And now into the tops. This is the first top that I got. Like I said, everything is Wild Fable, so this is the first top I got. It kind of cinches up, but once again, it's like a nice tasteful crop. It's not super cropped. In tops, I'm usually like an extra small, which is this, and because it was on clearance, like I accepted things that were small because they'll be like a looser casual fit. Then I got this sweater top, which I know it sucks. I got a bunch of sweaters and I live in Florida and I can't even wear them, but I'll figure it out. It's another crop sweater, size extra small. The tag says small, but the inside says extra small. But yeah, it's a nice navy blue. It's a blue sweater. It's cute, cropped. I love. Focus on his sister. That reminds me of that sorority video. So the next 2 tops I got, they're very similar. They're long sleeves, so they're very thin, so I feel like it'll work with the Florida weather that we have. And this one is off the shoulder and it has little cinches or ruffles. Super cute. And then this one, black long sleeve, same thing, but it's a little bit thicker and weightier, and it has buttons at the front. And the last two things that I got were these two t-shirts. They both were small, I believe, so it fits a little bit looser, but it's still cute. This looks really cute with the skater pants that I got, so I love that for a sister. And this one too, didn't try it on, but I know it's gonna fit well, so we love. So yeah, that was my haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wild Fable, amazing brand. Their clothes are like super quality and fairly cheap and inexpensive. On Target's website, there's a Wild Fable like sub site for just their clothing. If you click that, they have way more options than they do in store. But yeah, I highly suggest you guys check it out. It's awesome. Not spons, could be spons. Hit me up, Wild Fable. I love. So yeah, I have to go edit because I'm trying to really be consistent in the new year with my upload schedule. So I will see you guys next time. Do I want to end it like that? We're still working on my endings. All right, bye.